Growth equals pain. And if you're not experiencing failure and pain, you're not growing.
How many of you feel like your business is running you at times? You're not running it.
Today is about becoming intentionally great in your business, as a leader, and in life. Intentional greatness in your life is literally putting on your oxygen mask before you try and help anyone else.
What life are you waiting to live?
We don't need leaders when things are easy. We need leaders when things are in the tank. The questions you ask invite the future that you get. We have to ask better questions to invite an intentional future.
I had to let go of limitations, and in order to be intentionally great, I had to learn to align the complexities of my career, leadership, and life.
Today is about getting real, keeping it simple, and producing team health results. Leadership is going there when it's uncomfortable, not when it's easy. We cannot meet tomorrow the way we did last year.
I would welcome the opportunity to work with you and your organization to become intentionally great.